Fabricated Extrusion Company is a plastic extruder. We make custom profile and sheet extrusions. We would not be where we're sitting here today without Delmia Works. We all know that. We could never have grown the way we've grown over the last 4 years. It's affected every aspect of our business, and it operates every aspect of our business. Order entry, production scheduling, inventory management, barcodes and scanners, shipping and accounting. We also utilize the real-time to monitor production and productivity. We're totally dependent on it. Waste is something that we want to avoid in all aspects of our business. And so anytime we can implement a program like sustainability, it achieves greater productivity, greater profits, and it appeals to us as people. That's the main impetus. It's both financial and as human beings, we feel like it's the right thing to do. We are focused on sustainability in 4 major areas: water reclamation, energy consumption, trim buyback from our customers, and solar energy. In order to cool our extrusions, we would use millions of gallons of water per month. We now capture that water before it goes out to the sewer. We chill it, clean it, pump it back into the facility to continue to be used. A lot of our extrusions are used by our customers. They're fabricated or processed on the other end. And so that trim scrap gets collected. We will actually bring that back, and that way we help our customers keep it out of the landfill. The biggest thing we have going is our solar energy generation plants. We're getting about 35–40% of our power needs from solar. It actually gives us a leg up. Power is a big cost factor in our business. Delmia Works system allows us to track our granules throughout our process. There's startup and tear down materials that get wasted as you're trying to get your profiles on size. And so that material then gets granulated and reprocessed. What the Delmia Works system has done for us is allow us to track that in every step of our process. And by doing that, we know to the pound what's out on the floor. And so it's made us much more efficient, much more profitable, way less waste. Just by knowing where everything is, being more efficient in the reuse of it, we're able to capture the full value of those materials. And Delmia Works has been a huge part in our success in that area. The other place that Delmia Works is beneficial to us, it does have a lot to do with conservation, and that's conservation of time. Delmia Works has changed the game for us as to how people do their job.
We have very dynamic production scheduling because we have so many different tools, and not only are they different tools, but we typically run different plastics or different colors through those same tools. With Delmia Works, we've taken a lot of our processes from essentially a guessing game to data-driven processes. We're all in constant communication with each other on what is coming up next. And in that, we've had an enormous boost to our efficiency because it's cut down on time wasted.
Our sustainability program is our water reclamation, it's our energy conservation, it's our solar energy, it's our trim buyback program, it's managing our granules in our system and throughout our process. And Delmia Works has been vital to making that a success.